Hey y'all, Kobe Custom here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I display my hobbies anywhere from model cars to upholstery to mechanical, electrical, and I got a couple of project cars that I'll be building. Come along with me and let's check it out. Hey y'all, Kobe Custom here, and yeah, you guessed it, I'm working on a 1951 Chevy 3100 truck. That's right. Let's get this camera turned around, let you check it out. All right, what we got going on today is a little bit of mock-up. I finally figured out how to connect all this stuff to the steering, to the rack and pinion. Let me take you around here to the inside, and I got the steering wheel. So it's working, it's turning. Oh yeah, coming to a block near you.